Hello everyone, I'm Anne from English Valley Cafe. Welcome to another pronunciation video. Today we're going to talk about the flap T sound. In American English, you have probably noticed that a lot of the Americans do not pronounce words like water or pretty. We say water, pretty. So in this video, we're going to do some practice with words and phrases that have this flap T sound. So stay tuned if you're having difficulty pronouncing these words. In American English, you will notice that a lot of the T sound in the middle of the word between two vowel sounds are often changed to a D sound. And there are different D sounds, but today we're going to talk a little bit how to make the sound for this flap T. So, for example, in water, water. So notice that here we change that T to a D. D. It's a really light D sound, so it's not water, but water. So here there are two things that we're going to focus on. The first is the tongue. So imagine that this is the roof of my mouth on the top, and this is the tongue. So what I'm going to do when I make that der sound is I'm going to, the tip of my tongue is going to touch the roof of my mouth and then move it back down. Okay, so der, water. The second thing you're going to focus on here is the shape of your lips here. Since we're making that the ER sound, you're going to round your lips here. So, der. Let's try another one that's similar. Better. Okay, so here it's going to be the same thing. You're going to round the shape of your mouth like this. And then at the same time, you're going to move your tongue up. The tip of your tongue is going to touch the roof of your mouth. And then you're just kind of going to lightly brush it and then coming back down. So, better. Good. Let's try a few more words here. Later. Good. Matter. Excellent. The next word here is pretty. So here I'm not saying pretty, though I'm changing the T to a D, but I'm not saying pretty. Okay, but rather here we're going to again make that the very lightly here. You're going to move your tongue up, touch the roof of your mouth, and then just the tip of it, and then you're going to come back down like this. Okay, so the. So here notice that the tip of my tongue is just lightly touching the top of my mouth, and I'm going down like this. So I'm kind of brushing really lightly and then just coming down like this. So the. And my mouth is wide here. Unlike the ER where my mouth was like this, was rounded, here I'm leaving it out like this. So the pretty. There you go. All right, the next word here is gotta. So this is the linking for got to, and often we say gotta. So that T again is going to change to the D, but like pretty, it's just going to be a D. Really light D. Gotta. Excellent. All right, let's try to say these words in a phrase. I think that'll be easier for you to understand how they are pronounced when we see them in a sentence or in a phrase. So let's try this one here. The first one here, pretty good. You try it. Good, pretty good. The next one, see you later. So again, later. See you later. And notice here that I'm pronouncing the U as ya. I'm just reducing it, that sound to ya. Yeah, see you later. See you later. The next one, water. Water. Drink more water. Drink more water. Excellent. The next one, matter. Matter. All right, so what's the matter? What's the matter? The next one, better. Better. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. And notice here that with the feeling, I don't say in, but feeling. Then, feeling. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. All right, the next one, gotta. So again, this is the linking for got to. We reduce that to gotta. Gotta. So you gotta try it. You gotta try it. All right, hope you find this video useful. I know that flap T sound is very difficult for a lot of English learners, especially if your native language does not have this sound. If there are any other sounds that you have a hard time pronouncing, let me know down in the comments and I would be happy to help you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and tap on that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're looking for more pronunciation practice, I will leave a pronunciation playlist down in the description below and you can check that out and do a little bit more practice. Thank you so much for learning with me. I will see you back here next week for another new lesson. Take care. Bye.